our society so focused on treating the symptoms rather than addressing the root cause? Dr. Dispenza suggests that our addiction to negative emotion leads to false conclusion, creating that vicious cycle, manifesting chronic illnesses like asthma, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, heart disease, autoimmune disease, and etc. So, here's a burning question. Why is this conversation gaining traction now? Despite the existence of practices of meditation, yoga, mindfulness, and few other alternative medicine for years and years, why are we only now beginning to understand the crucial role of emotion playing in our health? What I speculate is perhaps our society is becoming more evolved and becoming more open to holistic approaches to healthcare. And maybe it might be the prevalence of chronic diseases forcing us to reevaluate our traditional medical models. Whatever the reason, one thing is clear: mind body connection is real. And it is time we start exploring these links to revolutionize our approaches to healthcare.